In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Slides on phone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to edit existing text and add new text boxes right from your mobile device with a few simple taps. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your phone. Once it opens, browse your list of presentations and tap the one you want to work on. If you have a lot of files, the search bar at the top can help you find it quickly. When your presentation opens, swipe through your slides to the one where you want to write. You can pinch to zoom in for better accuracy or zoom out to see the full layout of your slide. To switch from viewing to editing, tap the edit icon, the blue pencil, in the bottom right corner. This puts you into edit mode and enables the toolbars you'll use to type and format your content. Don't worry if the keyboard doesn't appear yet. It will pop up as soon as you start working with a text box. To edit existing text, double-tap any text box on the slide. Your keyboard will appear and you'll see a blinking cursor inside the box. Now you can type to add new words or press and hold to select text you want to replace. As you type, look along the top or bottom toolbar for formatting options like font, size, color, and alignment so your text matches your slide style. If you make a mistake, use the undo arrow to roll back your last change. When you're done, tap outside the text box to close the keyboard and see your edits in place. If you need to add a new text box, look to the top toolbar and tap the plus icon. From the menu that appears, choose Text. A fresh text box will appear on your slide. Tap inside it to begin typing your content. You'll notice small blue handles around the box. Drag these handles to resize the box so your text fits neatly. To move the box, tap and hold on its edge, then drag it to the perfect spot. Zoom in if the handles feel too small and use the alignment guides that appear to keep everything tidy and centered. All changes save automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. These steps work the same on most phones, and your edits will sync across devices if you're signed in. That's all you need to write on Google Slides from your phone. Open your presentation, tap the blue pencil to edit, double tap to change existing text, and use plus, then text to add a new text box and adjust it with the blue handles.